I wanted to share my thoughts on what the Federal Reserve rate cut, yay, means for you specifically. Yes, the Federal Reserve dropped interest rates yesterday by 0.25%, but they also signaled that they are slowing down their rate cuts through 2025. It's telling that the economists for the National Association of Realtors and other economists are predicting that interest rates, which on a first mortgage right now, if you were going to buy, is about 6.99%, is only going to go down to about 6.2% by the end of 2025, and that rates are going to stretch out and normalize in 2026 on all mortgages. So it's not as fast as we want, but it's important to note that historically, this is where we've always been. It's also interesting because inflation overall has really gone down, including in the construction area. We look at lumber, we look at iron and steel. Everything is back to normal. Cement futures are the only ones that have increased, but that's because of global construction over time, and they've actually really looked pretty steady over time. So overall, what this means is you are in this crossroads between interest rates coming down, but also construction prices at an incredibly low price. Remember in COVID when you couldn't even get a handyman out? Yeah, I saw prices on ADUs much, much higher. You're still benefiting as interest rates, they're coming down and they're not down where we want them to be, but the cost of building is still much lower than it was in COVID. And as interest rates come down, prices are going to go right back up. Right now is the perfect time to do your ADU because you're getting the best price on construction and you're taking advantage of rates as they go down. I will be working over the Christmas holidays and beyond and well into January. I'm really not taking that much of a break. Now is the time to talk to your family about their dreams, their goals, and their plans for the property right now. While everybody's at home, we will be taking loan applications over the holidays, and I encourage you, let's start strategizing. You can book a call with the whole family, Zoom and all. If you want to, over these times, my calendar is wide open, and I look forward to talking with you. Merry Christmas.